A. A is for ant. B. B is for baby. C. C is for crow. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for hen. I. I is for iguana. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kangaroo. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nightingale. O. O is for owl. P. P is for penguin. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for sun. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for vulture. W. W is for whale. X. X is for X-ray fish. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra.
Red like a shiny apple tree. Yellow, yellow like the sunshine we see. Blue, blue like the sky up high. Green, green like the grass nearby. Colors, colors all around. It's in the air and on the ground. Let's sing and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. Oh, purple, purple like a blooming flower. Oh, orange, orange like a sweet and sour. Blue, pink, pink like fluffy cotton candy. Pink and brown, brown like a teddy bear so handy. Colors, colors all around in the air and round, round like a teddy bear so handy. Learn and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun. The black, black like the lips of tea. The white, white like the snowy sea. Gray, gray like a cloudy day. Blue colors, colors show us the way. The colors, colors all around in the air and around, round like the steady bear so handy. Hurry and learn one by one. The colors make learning fun.
A is for alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox. G is for giraffe, good giraffe. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jaguar, jaguar. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mongoose, monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for owl, owl. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for quokka, R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, tetra, tex, X